13. Natural remedies you have in your kitchen against cough. Did you know that relief from that annoying cough may be closer than you think? Often, the most effective medicines are not in pharmacies, but in your kitchen, waiting to be used. In this video, we will reveal 13 natural, simple, and accessible remedies that you can prepare, with ingredients you already have at home: dry, productive cough, or one that persists at night. No matter the type, these solutions are safe and really work. Furthermore, by opting for natural alternatives, you avoid the side effects of medications and also strengthen your body with ingredients rich in therapeutic properties. Do you want to know how honey, ginger, and even onion can become your best allies? Stay with me and discover how to use each of these ingredients in a practical and efficient way to get rid of coughs once and for all. Are you ready to transform simple ingredients into powerful allies for your health? So, stay until the end, because Natural Remedy 11 will leave you scared. Let's get started. 1. Honey with lemon. Honey with lemon is one of the most popular combinations for relieving coughs, and for good reason. Both have incredible medicinal properties. While honey has antibacterial action and is a powerful throat soother, lemon is rich in vitamin C, helping to strengthen the immune system. To prepare, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a tablespoon of honey. Mix well and consume directly. If you prefer, dilute it with warm water to make a comforting drink, perfect for colder days. This mixture not only soothes throat irritation, but also helps loosen mucus if your cough is productive. An extra benefit of this solution is that it can be consumed several times a day without contraindications for most people. However, it is always good to remember that children under 1 year old should not consume honey due to the risk of botulism. Additionally, honey with lemon is excellent for reducing discomfort during the night. Taking this mixture before bed helps soothe the throat, promoting a more peaceful night's sleep without coughing attacks. So, have you tried this simple and powerful combination? If not yet, it's worth a try. In addition to being a natural solution, it is delicious and accessible for anyone. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the most effective natural cough remedies. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger helps relax the muscles in the airways, relieving throat irritation and reducing coughing attacks, especially those of allergic or infectious origin. To prepare, simply cut a few slices of fresh ginger and boil them in water for about 10 minutes. Then, just strain, sweeten with honey if desired, and consume while still hot. Adding a slice of lemon to tea can enhance the benefits, as the vitamin C in lemon strengthens the immune system. One of the advantages of this tea is that it acts quickly to relieve dry coughs, which are often caused by irritation of the mucous membranes. The heat from the tea also helps hydrate the airways, reducing the frequency and intensity of coughing. If you suffer from nighttime coughs, ginger tea is a great option to drink before bed. It soothes the throat and promotes general relaxation in the body, which contributes to a more peaceful night. Best of all, ginger is a cheap ingredient, easy to find, and can be stored for a long time in your home. Try including this drink in your daily life and notice the results quickly. 3. Turmeric with warm milk. Turmeric, also known as turmeric, is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. When combined with warm milk, this mixture acts as a throat balm, helping to reduce irritation and relieve coughing. Furthermore, milk helps to soften the scratching sensation. To prepare, heat a glass of milk and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well, and if you want, add honey to sweeten and improve the flavor. Take this drink preferably at night before going to sleep. The combination is especially effective against coughs caused by sore throats or colds. Turmeric also helps fight infections thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Because it is a natural solution, it is safe for most people. However, those who are lactose intolerant can replace traditional milk with plant-based alternatives, such as coconut or almond milk. If you're looking for a way to relax and fight a cough at the same time, this drink is the perfect choice. Try it and feel immediate comfort. 4. Garlic soup. Garlic is an ingredient known for its strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. A soup made with garlic is not only a natural cough remedy, but also an incredible immunity booster, helping the body fight infections. To make the soup, saute 2 chopped garlic cloves in a little olive oil or butter. Then add water or vegetable broth, salt, and, if desired, a pinch of turmeric or ginger. Let it cook for about 10 minutes and serve hot. This soup is ideal to consume at night, as the heat helps soothe the throat, while the garlic compounds fight bacteria and viruses. It is an excellent solution for anyone experiencing flu or colds accompanied by a cough. In addition to being effective, garlic soup is a comforting dish that can be adapted to your taste. Add other ingredients like carrots or potatoes to make it even more nutritious. If you've never tried this recipe, it's worth including in your repertoire of home remedies. It combines health and flavor in a single dish. 5. Salt water for gargling. Simple but extremely efficient, gargling with warm salt water is one of the oldest and most effective methods for relieving coughs and throat irritations. It helps clear the airways, reduce inflammation, and eliminate bacteria that may be causing the problem. To make it, dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle for about 30 seconds, making sure not to swallow. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day. The salt acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, while the warm water has an immediate soothing effect on the throat. This method is especially effective for coughs that arise due to mild irritation or infections. Because it is easy to do, it is a solution that can be used at any time of the day. Furthermore, it is completely safe for adults and children over 6 years of age, as long as they know how to gargle correctly. If you are looking for a quick and practical method, gargling with water and salt may be the answer. It's a simple technique that offers surprising results. 6. Steam with eucalyptus. Steam with eucalyptus is a powerful natural decongestant that relieves coughs and makes breathing easier. Eucalyptus has expectorant and antibacterial properties, making it especially useful for coughs accompanied by nasal congestion. To prepare, boil water in a bowl and add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil or fresh leaves of the plant. Position your face over the bowl, covering your head with a towel to concentrate the steam, and breathe deeply for 10 minutes. This method helps hydrate the airways, reducing irritation and facilitating the expulsion of mucus. Furthermore, the eucalyptus aroma promotes a feeling of immediate relief. It is important to take care to avoid burns from the steam. Keep a safe distance from hot water and use the method sparingly. If you suffer from a persistent cough or feel heavy in your chest, steam with eucalyptus can be a great ally to alleviate your symptoms. 7. Mint tea with honey. Mint tea with honey is a perfect combination to relieve coughs and soothe the throat. Mint has decongestant and relaxing properties, while honey is an excellent natural moisturizer that helps reduce irritation. To prepare, boil some fresh mint leaves in water for about 5 minutes. After straining, add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten and enhance the benefits. Consume the tea while it is still hot, especially before bed. This tea is ideal for those who are dealing with a productive cough, as it helps to loosen mucus from the airways. Furthermore, the mint aroma promotes a feeling of freshness, making breathing easier. Because it is natural, this drink is a safe alternative for adults and children, as long as the honey is replaced with another sweetener for children under 1 year of age. It's a practical and delicious solution to include in your routine. If you're looking for something comforting and effective for your cough, mint tea with honey will certainly be one of your favorites. 8. Apple vinegar with honey. A less conventional but extremely effective mixture is apple cider vinegar with honey. Vinegar has antimicrobial properties, while honey acts as a throat soother, relieving coughs and strengthening the immune system. To prepare, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Stir well and consume slowly. For best results, take this mixture twice a day. This solution is especially useful for coughs caused by allergies or mild infections. Additionally, vinegar helps balance the body's pH, making it difficult for harmful bacteria to develop. Although the flavor may be a little strong, the benefits are significant. If you prefer, You can dilute the vinegar further to make the drink more palatable. With simple and powerful ingredients, this solution is one of the best homemade alternatives to quickly relieve coughs. 9. Onion with brown sugar. Mixing onion with brown sugar is a classic home remedy for relieving coughs. Onion has antimicrobial and expectorant properties, while brown sugar helps mellow the flavor and creates a natural syrup. To prepare, chop a large onion and mix it with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in a bowl. Let it rest for a few hours until it forms a liquid. Take a spoonful of this homemade syrup 2 to 3 times a day. This remedy is particularly effective for productive coughs, as it helps loosen mucus accumulated in the chest. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions fight bacteria and viruses that may be causing your cough. If you prefer, you can add honey or lemon to the mixture to enhance the benefits and improve the flavor. It's a simple solution that can be prepared with ingredients you already have at home. Try this traditional recipe and see how effective it can be to relieve coughs naturally. 10. Warm water with honey before bed. Drinking warm water with honey before bed is a practical and comforting solution to relieve coughs. Honey creates a protective layer in the throat, reducing irritation and calming the urge to cough at night. To prepare, heat a glass of water until it is lukewarm and add a tablespoon of honey. Stir well and drink slowly, enjoying the calming effect of the drink. This practice is especially recommended for those who suffer from nighttime coughs, which tend to interrupt sleep and cause discomfort. In addition to soothing the throat, warm water helps hydrate the airways, reducing the frequency of attacks. An advantage of this method is that it can be used by people of all ages, as long as the contraindications of honey for young children are respected. It is an affordable, safe, and effective solution to improve sleep quality. Include this routine before bed and feel the difference in your night and in your cough relief. 11. Thyme tea with honey. Thyme is a powerful herb with antiseptic and expectorant properties. When prepared as a tea, it helps relieve coughs and improve breathing, especially in cases of colds or flu. To prepare, boil a teaspoon of dried thyme in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Strain, add honey to taste and consume while still hot. This drink is ideal to drink 2 to 3 times a day. Thyme is excellent for productive coughs, as it helps loosen mucus and clear the airways. Furthermore, it is rich in antioxidants, strengthening the immune system. If you prefer, you can combine thyme with other herbs, such as mint or ginger, to enhance the benefits. It is a versatile and very effective option to include in your arsenal of natural remedies. This simple herb could be the key to relieving your cough quickly and naturally. Try it and see the results. 12. Garlic tea with lemon. Garlic tea with lemon is a potent combination to relieve coughs and strengthen immunity. Garlic has antibacterial and antiviral properties, while lemon provides vitamin C, helping to fight infections. To prepare, crush a clove of garlic and boil it in a cup of water for 5 minutes. After straining, add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey to soften the flavor. Drink while still hot, preferably at night. This recipe is especially effective for coughs associated with flu or colds, as it works directly to combat infectious agents. Garlic also helps reduce inflammation in the airways, bringing quick relief. If the flavor is too strong, you can reduce the amount of garlic or add ginger to the recipe to balance it out. It is a natural solution that combines simple ingredients with high medicinal power. Don't underestimate the power of this mixture. It is one of the most effective home remedies for stopping coughs and preventing new attacks. 13. Pineapple juice with honey. Pineapple juice is an excellent natural cough remedy due to bromelain, an enzyme present in the fruit with anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties. When combined with honey, it enhances the relief of throat irritation and helps reduce coughing. To prepare, blend 2 slices of pineapple with half a glass of water in a blender. Strain, add a tablespoon of honey and mix well. Consume fresh once or twice a day. This juice is particularly effective for productive coughs, as it helps dissolve mucus and facilitates its elimination. Furthermore, it is a refreshing and nutrient-rich drink that strengthens the immune system. Because it is natural and tasty, pineapple juice with honey is a great alternative for children and adults. However, those who are allergic to bromelain or have stomach problems should consume it in moderation. Try this delicious solution and see how it can be a powerful ally against coughs. Getting here is more than discovering natural recipes. It's taking a step towards conscious care for your health. Each medicine shared is not just a cough solution, but a reminder that nature has the power to heal and strengthen. By adopting these simple practices, you not only alleviate symptoms, but also connect with choices that promote well-being and quality of life. Remember, taking care of your health starts with small daily gestures. Turn these home remedies into allies and share this knowledge with those you love. Together, we can live healthier and fuller lives. Trust in the power of the natural and your commitment to a lighter and more balanced life.